Wow, work hard.
A management tip is to lead by example.
Learning is not just about exams and getting your boards, but it's lifelong.
Best advice is to become an expert. Add value in every interaction, but become an absolute expert so that you become sought out by others in industry to help solve problems.
Of course, you need to be, part of a big team. This is not, something that you do by yourself, but it's really to make sure that, you have a good understanding of the customer requirement, a good knowledge of the market as well. So it's very important to be aligned with your customers.
Be visionary, so see things as they are in few years from now.
Ask questions and concentrate on the patient.
So being as much as possible close to customers, understanding their workflows, their relation with patients, the outcomes that in the end matters to patients and to improve quality of care is what made me in the end have a better understanding of our products and how we have to improve, in which direction we have to move.
Team collaboration, I think, is one of the most important things if we really want to go and succeed in your career.
Just to go out to visit radiological conference and to talk to the people at first, because it's most important that you see what we actually do, and just to broaden your horizon as much as possible.
Choose an area you have interest and commit your time to learn and grow.
You should never be afraid of being too young.
I would like to invite them to take care of their professional skill, to adopt as more possible the latest technology, latest software, to become familiar with the AI adoption.
To listen very much to the customer, let's say, to see what they need and then to find out how we can establish those functionality in our products.
Really understand your markets, really understand your customer needs. It's all about what the customer needs to be able to overcome or to offer the customer what they need.
It takes expertise and domain expertise in your field that you're working on. It takes a little bit of sales experience, a little bit of marketing experience, and you need to combine that together with some strong guts.
Eager to please people around you, do what you think is right, and then you will succeed.
I think being in the right place at the right time and having some really good mentors. So having associated with, very fortunately, some great clinicians and some business leaders who have really shown me how to navigate a really interesting transfer between healthcare and business.
Don't shy away from taking risks, because unless you take risk, you don't succeed.